Hi everyone, this is Tracy Bowman, Bowman for Art on Facebook, and I've been out in the yard. It's a beautiful day, working in the garden, of course, but I have to tell you about something really important, and for us paint pourers, and especially if we like to do the Bloom recipe. Well, our paint, BEHR 8300 deep base, for our medium is coming off the market. How about that? They've changed it. They're not going to keep it the same. They're putting primer in it. How's that going to work with our medium? It's got a primer in it. So it's going to completely change everything. So I have had somebody tell me that they use Valspar 2000, and you can get it at Lowe's. $26.98. But if we all call the BEHR company, like I did yesterday, and call them, I show it to you, but it's backwards. So their phone number is 1-800-854-0133. And tell them why you want the paint and how many people you know that need it. Maybe they'll keep it around for us or something. I don't know what to tell you. I love this base. I bought 6 gallons 2 days ago, so I know I'll have some for a while. But now that I know about the Valspar that you can buy from Lowe's, I won't have to shop at Home Depot either. So, FYI, they're not going to make it anymore. I called and spoke to them. It's true. So, it's going to be, I don't know, $83.51 or something, but it's going to have primer in it. So, call the BEHR company. Tell them, if we get a bunch of people that call and say, you know, XYZ, there's people, thousands of people all over the country that are using this. I think they're going to keep it in Canada, so I don't know what the story is or why they're changing it, but they think it's going to be better. But better for them maybe, but not necessarily for us. So share this video, tell people. I put it all over Facebook yesterday and I'm blocked. I no longer can use my Facebook, or at least not for a while. They think I'm spamming. Instead of giving important information, they think I'm doing something terrible. I don't know why. Anyway, the only way I can get this information out is through my video. So, FYI, somebody said to me on Facebook that BEHR wasn't going to make it anymore, and I'm like, okay, what do I do? Oh, I'll call the company, see if it's real. And it's real. So, there's always Valspar we can try. So if you don't want to buy extra base and you want to try the Valspar, go right ahead. I don't know if it's something that they're changing everywhere. So anyway, please enjoy some of my other videos. I would mix the Valspar the same way. I gotta look at my recipe. I write it down so I don't have to keep it here. So I would mix the Valspar the same as I did my BEHR 8300, which is 2 cups. I make a bunch. It's 2 to 1. I make 2 cups of the BEHR Ultra Base or the Valspar to 1 cup of the Polyacrylic. And then I put it in my dispenser bottle, so when I just need a bit, it's already mixed up. I just pour it in my cup, add my color, mix it up, I'm ready to go. I don't have to spend all this time making up colors and paints and whatnot, so I'm like halfway there with this. So I would mix it the same, 2 to 1, depending on how much you like to mix. I actually do a double batch when I do it, so I have it all in my containers, all ready to go, so I don't have to make medium all the time. But this is important. Please share. I'm trying to get the word out. I don't want people to be stuck and not be able to have what they want. So the alternative will be the Valspar 2000. Happy painting. Feel free to ask questions and check out some of my other videos. Be sure to like and subscribe. And I answer all your questions. Okie doke. Thanks for watching. Bye now.